Hello guys, we are playing Build a Boat for Treasure, and this is going to be fun. So we're going to start off at boring noob to pro in just probably like 13 minutes and that stuff. Let's just start the video. Okay, so here's what we're going to do. We're going to go with, okay, okay. It's her turn to do this. Okay. And then we're just gonna place one block down here. I'm actually quite good at this game. I'm just trying to impersonate a noob at this game. Like, you know what noobs be like. Okay, let's get on this trashy thing and let's try to die. Yes. Ha 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 ha. Yay, I'm gonna survive with my trashy build. Bruh. How's that guy up the gauge like so quick? That's the witness of a noob and trashy. And okay, I barely got any money. I'm broke. If you could go up in this top corner. Yeah, you see, I am actually broke at this. Okay, we're gonna start at a normal person. And this is a normal person. Now we got it, and this is just a normal person. Okay, and all these, okay. What persons be like? And this be normal person. Do not intimidate a normal person. Okay, they're just normal. Okay. Oh, just a blank in anymore. Oh, brains, I can't take a break. Okay, I'm going to put that up here. So you don't have a break. Okay. So, yeah, okay. Up here, we move up here. I just thought I had a back pain. And guys, don't go in the comments and don't just speak in the comments. You are trash at building. Bruh, I ran out of materials. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? Okay, I'm just gonna put myself at the side of here. And we're gonna get 60 of these blocks out here. What the anyway. Okay, so we're gonna use this block here. That's just a stupid glitch. Okay, then we're here, and here, and then here. This kind of looks fresh. But anyways, I'm just so good at this race. This is one of the things. See pro. Oops, I accidentally block whatever. Bruh, and they don't even know how to delete it yet. Okay, good thing. Yep. We're looking for a seat. Oh my god, bro. Okay. Anyways, okay, that don't want that. Anyways, so then we're gonna go over around over here and do this over here, and then here, and then behind, and then behind. And the greatest build I ever done. Da-da-da-da. Why is it over my head? Hey, yo, those blocks look sus in the air. Okay. Okay. And then, so you'll cover up the front. That and that and that and then we're ready. And now let's go. Let's see how much our normal looking boat could survive. Okay. Pretty fast, like that the first one did. What the heck? Rose roll got. Ayo. Okay, don't mind. This. Block behind us, and why do we have this weird piece? Oh, that block almost got me. Yeah, okay. No. The thing just chipped. That's kind of dumb. I forgot to give myself. Oh yeah, I got a seat. It's a phone. It measures 1 minute of survival. And now, okay guys, we hit this zone. Not that hit this. Here's the only rule. You're only allowed to stay in riddle one place. Okay, we're at the 3rd dimension with hot dogs. That's stupid. Oh yeah, I already played this game before. Just like the real world that I make, and then I'm gonna make some hot dogs. As you can see, this build is starting to get a little beaten. But we're getting fun. But this is just fun. Anyway, we're on to the next dimension. Where there's just a bunch of rocks. Oh my god. Okay. We lost again. For some reason. Okay. I'm gonna go to menu. I think I'm gonna rock a lot more chess, bro. Bye. Wow, that's what I got. Pretty good. I'm gonna buy. Okay. More loot. Okay. Okay. Go on. Okay, you know what I'm going. Okay. Oh, we got a ramp. I'm just gonna practice this before we dig any deeper. Maybe I get some more money from this. Da 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 da. Okay, we're going up and 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 up. And this is where we're gonna make the god build. You guys gotta stay soon. Stay tuned for that God build. Okay, so you guys are here at this moment. Sing for you, sing for the. Okay. I fell over and that stuff. It's gonna take forever. Let's see what's falling over all the time. And here, and here, and here. I know I made a little tiny mistake in that stuff. Turn around and go here, and here. Go here and here and here. And then I'm gonna go here, right. Here. Oh my God, such good. So random slabs there. To save our lives. Oh, why? You guys might be spamming in the comments. Why do you need slabs? It's kind of stupid. Are you thinking about Minecraft? No, I'm not thinking about stupid Minecraft. I kind of regret saying that. Minecraft is good. That's good. Okay, next floor. Where we're gonna build the second floor of this build, boys. We go up here. I think I'm gonna have to delete. Okay. But this, and this, and this, and this, and this. Gonna go decorate it with. Gonna try to see if this thing actually works. And that, for some reason, is for my stupid mind. Anyways, so then we're gonna go here and put our gaming chair up here, and then we're gonna. Okay, then we're gonna put it up here, and then we'll close that, and then. Yes, let's go! And what is this? Okay. And my creation looks so choppy, bruh. It almost looks like it's from Minecraft. Or you guys might be spamming that in the comments. Guys might be spamming that in the comments. The comments do not matter, you students. I kind of regret that because of my friends. Some people, like half my people, a lot of my people that watch my videos are basically my friends because I got a lot of friends. Yeah, a lot of friends. So I got this. This is gonna be. I think this is gonna be the new longest video I've ever made. Because this is pretty much a God build. How could anything defeat the God? Oh my God. That build was the boat is not very good for survival, but at least it's cool looking. So if you enjoyed the video, like and subscribe, and you can comment this video is great. And I gotta see you all and that stuff tomorrow. Next video, I mean. Say goodbye. Goodbye.